How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about anterior pelvic tilt exercises to avoid. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So here's the thing. Any exercise is bad if you do it incorrectly. So I got this question from a subscriber. They want to know the bad exercises with anterior pelvic tilt. Are there bad exercises? There's no such thing as a bad exercise, you guys. All exercises are good as long as you use them properly and you do them properly. So anterior pelvic exercises to avoid. If you're trying to fix your anterior pelvic tilt, you want to fix, again, the anterior pelvic tilt. So you want to do exercises that will fix that. So do you think it's smart to do barbell bench press? Probably not, because it's not going to help our pelvic tilt. So what are some good exercises to do? Bridge, hands down the best exercise if you're trying to fix anterior pelvic tilt. The bridge is the best exercise to do. The lunge is another good one because it forces your pelvis forward. That anterior pelvic tilt, like this, again, this is anterior pelvic tilt. It allows you to fix that, get that pelvis forward, you guys, to fix that. Plank, another great exercise to do that a lot of people do not do. By doing the plank, contracting your glutes, squeezing your ab muscles, that's going to force your pelvis to get proper, to get in line with your body, and it's going to fix that anterior pelvic tilt. So again, anterior pelvic tilt just means your pelvis is tilted. We're trying to tilt it back to the normal position, you guys. Very simple, very easy to do. So are there exercises to avoid? Absolutely. I can list you 100 different exercises to avoid. You don't want to do barbell bench press. I wouldn't do squats in my opinion, just because if you do get bigger glutes, if it hits your glutes, then it's just going to make your glutes bigger, and it's going to add a ton of size to it. In my opinion, the bridge is good because it helps you contract your glutes, but it doesn't necessarily add size to them, if you know what I mean, if you're just doing body weight movements, but it's going to allow you to shift your pelvis forward. So that's a very good in my opinion. So squats, barbell bench press, incline dumbbell bench press, chest flies, anything that's hitting your chest, that's really not going to hit your anterior pelvic tilt. It's not really going to help it. Doing your biceps, your triceps, doing shoulder presses, doing calf raises, doing ab crunches. There's so many different exercises that isn't going to help you with anterior pelvic tilt. So that's my take on it. Those are the exercises I would do to help correct it, and I have helped clients before correct their anterior pelvic tilt. So if you guys want more details on that, just comment below. I will help you. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.